Hello guys, welcome back again to our YouTube channel, Pinoy Spider. So for today's video guys, I'm going to show you my R9 380. So here it is. So the problem guys is the GPU pan here is broken, as you can see. And now we're going to unbox our replacement pan that we bought from Shopee. So here it is. Actually guys, there's a two version of this one pair. Actually the one pair guys costs 431 pesos, while ay wrong I mean one pan guys will cost 431 pesos and the pair will cost 669. So I bought a pair, so just in case. Okay, so let's start. Let's unbox. So if you have R9 380 guys and suddenly your GPU pan is not working anymore, you can order this. So I hope there is real pan here. So sometimes guys there are horror where there's no pan, it's all plastic. Here. Okay, so do we have our GPU pan? Yes, we have it guys. So here it is. And what's good with this guys is I think it has LED effect, which is blue. It's colored blue guys. So let's check if they're the same size. Yes guys, they're the same size. Alright, so we're going to check out my next video guys. Let's try to replace, let's try to insert this or install our new LED pan to our R9 380. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. If you want link, just check my check this video's description so you can see where what link or where did I bought this replacement GPU pan. So it's also LED version guys, so you will see blue lights I think. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.